There is no doubt that we need healing more than ever today. This is an invitation inviting you to join me Thursday, June 11th from 6 to 9 p.m. at the Well in Medford, 45 South Main Street in downtown Medford for a Reiki Level I Certification class. You'll receive a complete manual and audio meditation follow-up as well as a certificate. And we are going to explore how to use this ancient healing art for self and others. The registration is right at my website, www.overwhelmwarrior.com. This is Elsie Kerns. I would love to share this experience with you, and we're limiting the class for personal attention to 8 students. Check out the registration at overwhelmwarrior.com. See you there.